Hello everyone and welcome back to Slime Rancher 2. In today's episode I have one task, which is to go to the Grey Labyrinth and check out that gold area that we saw in the previous episode. Thanks to our teleporter that we got in the previous episode, I can just immediately go there. And we're here in the Grey Labyrinth. Oh, Shadow Slimes immediately. That's great. Let's see how many we got. Okay, only 9 shadow plorts apparently. It's not too bad. So I think the way that I need to go is past all of the danger. So right through here. Should be through here. Grab some of these shadow plorts while we're here. Something cool I saw on the Steam page. We'll wait until after the tar. What is this? Dream bubbles? Huh. That's pretty neat. I don't remember those being there. Alright, something pretty neat that I saw on the Steam page is that there's supposedly a spring update happening on... Yeah, no, the dream bubbles are new. These were not here the last time that I was here. That's cool. Well, there's a spring spring update happening on April 16th, which is unfortunately just barely too late for this episode, but it should hopefully be in the next episode. We're here. We can finally explore around here as well. I want to see what's over there. Because I don't think I went this way last time. Over this bridge over here. Ooh, there's royal jelly. And tars. Give me that royal jelly. Alright, doesn't seem like there's much over here. Just a neat little distraction. We can now check over here, though. Whoa! That's cool, you can hear through the door. Alright, let's come down here. That's cool, you can see the windmill shadow. Up, more tars. Always with the tars. Oh, shadow plorts on the ground, that's cool. I wasn't expecting that. Well, time to continue with the normal way. Jump over here. Up. Barrel slimes. I know what the button to repel them is now, though. Get out of here. It feels so good to be playing Slime Rancher again. It was really hard for me to spend the previous month not playing Slime Rancher, so it's really nice to be back with the game again. 'Cause I was missing it. It'd be cool if these, like, tasks... Oh, they do! That's cool, they have physics. Ooh, mint mangoes. Okay, I have no idea why anyone would jump across this pit. Oh, Sloomber, Gordo. That's cool. We might pop that in today's episode, depending on how much this area has to offer. Also, we now have the map for this area. Now we can see where we're going. Come on, give me a ton of shadow plorts. Come on. That was really good. I did just have a really good idea. What if next time we get one of those shadow pots, what if we cover the floor in food first, and then, break it open? This might be a really bad idea, but okay, good thing I tested with the carrots first. I almost recklessly just went in there. Good thing I was cautious enough to actually think about it and threw a carrot in there instead. That was smart. Oh, another light puzzle. Over here. Ooh, that's It's kind of annoying. I think we can do it, though. Wait, what? Oh. That is interesting. Okay, so the light beams kind of have a little bit of redirect on them, so long as they're aimed the correct way. There we go. Oh, just in time, the prismatic stuff is here. Alright, let's see what's in here. Ooh. Everything's all wibbly. I don't think I'll be able to open this, but might as well just dump my shadow ports in here before my inventory gets filled up. It's going to be really painfully close. I think we're like 7 away, or probably. Oh, wait. Up. I'm missing. Okay, hopefully that was enough. Well, that's 7. Oh, that was exactly perfect. That's amazing. Huh. So, this wall turns things into unstable items. That's neat. I guess we'll head back now. And then I think the lava place would be a good place to go next, since I never got, like, the map and stuff for that area. Oh, wow. More shadow slimes. That is so many shadow slimes. Definitely don't have to worry about shadow slimes for a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna head over to the lava works area in the Grey Labyrinth. I'll see you all there. Alright, we're finally here. And just ignore the extra items I have in my inventory. Totally didn't go back to the ranch for a second. Nope, definitely not. I should have gotten a rock plort. You know what? I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab that, and then we're gonna continue. Alright, and I'm back, and I have a rock plort. Honestly, it didn't take as long as I thought it would. Now we can open up this door, yay! But... ooh, map! Yay, we got the map for the lava works there. Whoa, that is huge. Why is that so big? Okay, but we have to open it from the other side as well, apparently. Through the pipes. Oh. Oh, hey, we're on the opposite side of the door. And that is a lot of shadow plorts. Let's see how many we got. I might not even be able to carry this. That really was a lot. Wow. 30 from one food interaction. That is a lot of food, or shadow plorts. I mean, it was a lot of food. There we go. That's what I wanted. No, get back in there. That was really good. We just got so many shadow plorts. I will need to get another rock plort though. Oh, another strange diamond. I almost didn't even see that. That would have been bad. Alright, I'm back and I have the rock plorts. I grabbed multiple just in case we needed more. Oh, shadow slimes. You can get a whole bunch of shadow plorts from them. That was pretty good. That was actually too good. I don't have enough inventory room for these. That is bad. Yay, it's ready! Then we can deposit all of our plorts into here. I can put down the other warp depot whenever I need more shadow plorts. Ooh! More shadow slimes. I don't feel comfortable with giving them food in the lava area, though. That feels like it would be a bad idea. Anyways, rock plort. Into there. Open the door. What? Okay. Gonna open the other door. I'm a little worried that by leaving the area, it closes the doors. It shouldn't, though, because there's other doors that are still open, right? Before we open this up, I did just see another shadow pot. There goes some of my foods. So I'd like to prepare this room. Throw it up. Throw it there. Come on. Get all the plorts. No, get back in there. That was really good. I think we found the strategy. I think a few plorts did burn in the lava, though. Which is very unfortunate. Anyways, we can put our shadow plorts into here. And hopefully unlock this. There we go. Up. Magma fountain, that's cool. Alright, we can drop down here. And then make our way over to that. There we go. Up. Put more rock plorts in here, or shadow plorts in here. And we can go back over to here. And then that way, we can open up another one of those shadow treasure pod things. Now, we can drop back down here. And open up this shadow thing. There we go. What did we get? Ooh, a heart cell. That's great. Love having extra health. Ooh, that looks like a place that I haven't gone yet. Out. There we go. Then we can spend a few of these on here. Up. And potted lava plants. That's fun. Ooh, we can see outside a little bit. What? I just got the achievement, fly like a bee. Fly for 5 seconds with the jetpack. I feel like I've flown for longer than 5 seconds with the jetpack. But who am I to judge what the game says? Oh yeah, this area. I forgot about this. This was from episode 5, right? Or no, this would have been from episode 6. Oh, we're so close. We're placing down the, nope, pink warp depot. Placing it down. Gotta wait for 2 minutes, though. And we have the things. Give me all the shadow plorts. Then we can pick up our warp depots. And there we go. I wonder what we're gonna get. Ooh, storage cell. Yes. Now we can upgrade our storage to have 70 items. There is another place I want to explore. And we are coming up on time for this episode. So, I think we will save popping the... I almost said pomegranate. Popping the Gordo for the next episode. And then back outside... Right. We have this to finish filling up. Ooh, Grey Labyrinth portal. That's great. I really want to craft that. We'll see how much it costs at the end of the episode. Alright, now then, through here. Okay, seems like there's a light puzzle somewhere then. Yep, there it is. And then radiant projectors. There. And then that one will go there. And then this one will go here. That should be the puzzle. Oh! And the platform lowered. That's cool. Whoa! Look at that place. Where is that? Okay, seems like somewhere I have... Whoa. That's cool. What is that thing over there? That looks crazy. Oh, that seems like it'll be a thing for next episode, though. Yeah, because that's going to be through here, and this is absolutely in the direction of the end of the game. And I'm way too past on time to be able to end the game right now. So let's head back to the ranch. Ooh, it's raining. I love the rain in Slime Rancher when it's like this. Wait, I just realized something. Dispose of all the food. Just get it all in here. Throw that rock floor away. I think it might be thundering. What weather is it? Nope, just heavy rain. Oh, we almost have all of the treasure pods. I love the heavy rain. It looks so good. Anyways, I'd like to pop down the pink warp gate, or warp depot. Right there. And let's check out Pronto Mart. Pet the cat. We absolutely have to. Every episode. Okay, it doesn't seem like too much. I would like some of that seagrass, though. Might as well buy all 10. Does it seem more glitchy than usual? Like, they can't just be me. Ooh! Shadow Sure Shot module. Yes, please. And drone station module. That's all of our money. Ooh! Accelerators. That seems like a future episode thing. That's a new animation. I'd really like to get a second drone for this area. That comes way down the line. Alright, let's see. So, tank booster. We need black indigonium, more prismaplorts. Wow, that's a lot of prismaplorts for that. And slumberplorts. Regenerator. That's cool. Hyperplort. What in the world is that? What is a hyperplort? Ooh. We can make heart module. I think I'll save that for another episode. And how much to make the Grey Labyrinth teleport? Slumberplorts, Magma Comb, and black indigonium. Okay. That's pretty. And we can deposit all of our plorts. Very nice. Anyways, I think that's going to be it for today's episode. In the next episode, we'll pop the Slumber Gordo, and we'll explore possibly the final area in the game. But anyways, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!